Okay. Namaste everyone, my name is Srikanth. Welcome to our channel CADiMate, where we give life to the education using technology. So in today's video, we are going to look at involutes. So involutes are diagrams which are formed by non-extensible strings when they are wound or unwound from different cross sections. Okay, so here we have 4 different types of cross sections available with us. You may also get higher kind of polygons. You just have up to pentagon. Here you can see 5 sides. You can also have hexagon, octagon, and other stuff. But okay, let us go ahead and see how the involutes are drawn physically using actual cross sections. Okay, so I'll just put this aside. So let us start with the simplest of the cross section, which is available. Of course, the simplest will be much simpler than this. That will be just a line. That is also possible. We'll just skip the line for a moment and we'll start with a triangle. So this is a triangle. When we wind a thread on that, this will the end point of this thread will define a curve. Will trace. You can see a curve. So this curve that is traced by the inextensible string, that is called as the involute. So the questions in this problem will be based on either winding or unwinding. So if they are unwinding problem, it will be probably for one complete rotation, right? One complete unwinding it will be. And if they are asking a question on winding, they will provide you with a particular length which you have to wind on the diagram and then trace the end point, trace the path of the end point. So you can see I am starting by the unwinding of string for a triangular cross section. So first of all, I'll have to just take the exact measurement for one complete unwinding. You can see this much length. This is the length, which is 3 times of each of the edges, and that's what the length required for one complete unwinding. So we'll start the unwinding process from here and this table and to draw it. When I'm drawing this, you will observe that as soon as the thread becomes straight parallel to one of the edges, that's where the extra thread that you see here, that becomes free and it starts rotating about a different center. Fine. So till it reaches this point, the center is here. So with this about this center, the thread is going to rotate. Fine. Defining this envelope. And as soon as it reaches parallel to this edge here, this end of the thread, it becomes free, and that starts tracing. Slightly going out of the. I hope you understand it. Fine. So this is what is the involute of a triangle. Just want to draw a triangle cross section, and yeah. So here we have the problem of unwinding of involute for a triangular cross section. So this is how the triangle is going to appear. The length of edges will be given to us, and you will be told to unwind it for one complete unwinding. Fine. So this is how we're going to draw. So when we are drawing this in AutoCAD, we will not, of course, be having any physical model to start with. So in the absence of this model, how do we get this involute? So that's very simple. You already have the compass. So what you have to do is you have to just extend this line here, and the first arc will be with this as the center point. So this is how you'll have to draw it. And as soon as it becomes parallel to this edge, what happens is the center will shift here. So we have to take this point as center and draw this arc. Till what point? Till the thread becomes parallel to this edge. As soon as it comes here, this part of the thread will also become free, and this becomes the center for us to draw the arc. So this here is an involute for a triangular cross section. So thank you for watching this video. I will make other videos for other cross sections. They will be available as a separate video. I will put the link to all these videos in the description below so that you can easily access them. And also, we will be doing the same problem. We will be solving the same problem in AutoCAD, not just for unwinding, but also for winding. So if you want to watch all these videos, subscribe to our channel, like our video and pass it on to your friends so that they can enjoy it too. Thank you.